In this problem, we need to determine the length of the tangent drawn from the point 3, 4 to the given circle. Let us begin. First, we will start with the given equation of the circle. So here we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 1 equals to 0. We're going to compare this with the general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So we get the value of 2g equals to negative 4. The value of 2f will be equals to 6 and the value of c will be equals to negative 1, which means that g comes out to be negative 2, f will be equals to 3. Now, let's say we have the point P with the coordinates 3, 4 and we have another point A, which is the point of contact. That means which is the point of contact. It means that if we join point P and point A, that's going to be the tangent to the circle at point A. Our goal will be to determine the length of point PA. The length of the tangent PA, which is given by the formula, we take the square root, we need x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2 times gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So here g, f and c are the values that we obtain from the circle, and x1, y1 will correspond to point coordinates of point P. So let's substitute this value. So we get square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 times g. So g value will be negative 2 times x1. So x1 is 3. Added to 2 times f. So f value will be 3 and multiplied to y1. So that's going to be 4. Plus c, so c is negative 1. When we compute this, we get the value equals to 6. So this is going to be the length of the tangent drawn from the point 3, 4 to the circle.